Good evening traders and welcome to Hautrader UK. It's currently Tuesday the 22nd of September 2020 and the time is currently 32 minutes past 11 PM UK time. I'm going to jump straight into the charts traders because I just want to show you what I've done here. So I'm on the daily chart here of the US dollar Canadian dollar pair and I'm actually bearish this market. Okay, I'm bearish this pair. And what I've done is I've seen price rally up into a level of supply, and there are also a lot of other confluences in this area. Now, on a lower time frame, I do believe that I've seen a manipulation of the market in this area. I won't go into why, but I do think I've seen a manipulation here. So what I've done is I've placed a limit order just above the market here. Okay. So I'm looking for price to rise up, take me in, and then hopefully fall off again. There's my stop loss up there. And where I'm shooting for take profit rise is right down here, which is some 600 and odd pips away. But if we get triggered, I'll do more of a talk through of why I got into this trade. But let's see if we get triggered first of all. Take care traders. I'll catch you all very, very soon. Good morning traders and welcome to Hautrader UK. It's currently Wednesday the 23rd of September 2020 and the time has just turned 3 minutes past 8 AM UK time. Hope you're all well traders. Not really going to hang around here. I've got to get moving. But I just wanted to show you that the US dollar, here I am on the 3 monthly chart of the US dollar CAD. And as you know, early in the video, I'm bearish this pair. So I'm going to go down to the daily chart. I just want to show you, there's the bar that we saw as a potential entry yesterday, and we've entered, and the chart, it's going a little bit against us at the moment, but I just wanted to show you that we're now short this pair. So the next step is to try and get to break even as quickly as possible. So what I do, let me just grab that, and it's the same old routine guys, same old routine, day in, day out. There's my stop, there's my entry. Pull my stop down to my entry. That's the risk I have in the market right now. Get my little blue line. Okay, there's a 1-to-1. So from here to here is a 1-to-1. And what I then do is I move it from here to here. And that becomes a 2-to-1. So this is now the place that I'm going to take profits on half of my position should price get to that area. But it's just a case of, and it is a should. So all I do is just set a little alert in there. Once per bar, when line is crossing down through, and take 50%. Simple as that traders, just a routine that you get into. I've put an alert in there now and we're good to go. Let's just remove this now. We can remove this little line here. And that's it, traders. So let's see how we go. Traders, thanks for tuning in this morning. I'll catch you all really, really soon. Take care, traders. Good evening, traders, and welcome to Hautrader UK. It's currently Wednesday, the 23rd of September, and the time is just about to turn 20 past 11 PM UK time. Welcome back to the channel, traders. I'm just going to take you through a very short little demonstration here. The pair I want to look at today is the US dollar CAD. Now, if you remember early in the video, I said I was bearish this pair, and I actually still am bearish this pair. However, this trade, if you remember, let me go down to the daily chart. What I was banking on is we have this downtrend, okay? And I was looking fundamentally as being bearish the US dollar and more bullish the CAD. And what I saw in this, just in here, let me just go down, let me just get, just in this bar here, probably better to go further down. That's right, that's much more like it. Maybe even the hourly chart. Let me have a look. That's right. In this bar here, we got short the market. Okay, somewhere down here in this bar. Now what you'll see is in this bar here, and basically we were up here, price has taken us out. And I'm just trying to get the bar that I used as a trigger. That's right. This is the bar that I used as a trigger, and this is the daily buys. You can see we've gone straight in and straight out. So guys, it's a loser. You know, you can't win them all. You know, and as you know, we've been on a good stretch of winners at the moment, and the odd loser in there. But I like to show you both the winners and the losers as much as I can. Now, this is about 60 pips that we've lost in this trade. Guys, that's trading. Move on, brush off, onto the next trade. I'll catch you soon, traders. Take care now.